Everybody, it's Wudu time, so please get in line.
Embark on a serene and enlightening journey into the heart of Islamic spirituality with Ripples of Purity, The Journey of Wudu by Dr. Atef Ahmed. This beautifully illustrated book offers a unique exploration of Wudu, the Islamic ritual of purification, weaving together profound insights, practical guidance, and captivating imagery. In Ripples of Purity, Dr. Atef Ahmed, a respected scholar in Islamic studies, delves deep into the symbolic and spiritual dimensions of Wudu. Each page is a testament to the ritual's significance, transcending mere physical cleansing to touch the soul's yearning for purity and connection with the divine. This book is a bridge of understanding, reaching out to Muslims and non-Muslims alike, inviting readers to appreciate the depth and beauty of this essential Islamic practice.
Wudu time, so get in line. Wash your hands about 3.
Key features. In-depth exploration. Understand the spiritual symbolism behind each step of Wudu, bringing you closer to its profound impact on daily Islamic life. Stunning illustrations. Each chapter is accompanied illustrations that perfectly capture the essence of Wudu, making the book a visual as well as spiritual delight. Cultural and religious sensitivity. Written with utmost respect and adherence to Islamic teachings, ensuring an authentic and enriching experience. Accessible language. Crafted in clear, engaging English, making it suitable for readers of all backgrounds and ages. Educational and inspirational. Ideal for those seeking to deepen their understanding of Islamic practices, as well as educators and parents wishing to impart religious education in an engaging way. Ripples of Purity, The Journey of Wudu is more than a book. It's a meditation, a prayer, and a guide. Whether you are deepening your own faith, exploring new spiritual horizons, or seeking a deeper understanding of Muslim practices, this book is an invaluable companion. Discover the tranquility and wisdom of Wudu. Let Ripples of Purity guide you through a journey of spiritual cleansing and renewal, leading you to a place of peace and connection with the divine.
Clean your nose and nostrils too. It's a little weird, I know, but it's what